So it's May. Hello, you guys. I'm going to be doing something a little different than I usually do on my channel. Today we're going to be starting our series of wig updates. So I got my stocking cap on because I'm getting ready to show you one of my popular wig reviews that I've done on the channel that I've been keeping in my Silky sack, so I can give you an update on how the wig is and if I think it's worth the investment. Sorry about Maddie, for those of you who don't know, that's my sweet little doggy coughing in the background. So this is my drawer. It is full of Silky sacks. As you can see, I do keep my wigs in my sacks when I'm not wearing them. Without further ado, stay tuned and let's get into this wig update. So I'm here to update you on my Nisha 203 wig, but before we get into that, you know there's a few things I'm going to ask you to do. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then hit the link so you'll be notified. We come to you every Monday and Friday with hair reviews, hair tips, hair tutorials, updates. And if you're over on Facebook, we love you on the FB too. Go ahead and give this video a like and a share. And then on both platforms, comment down below and let me know what do you think of Nisha 203. And when we come up out of quarantine, we want to be looking fabulous. So we have created a free PDF called Oils for Your Edges. It is free. Down in the description box, you can download it and find out 5 oils that is really good for your edges so that you can start moisturizing and continue to protect your hair. And here at Silky Sacks, I love to send a shout out to all of my subs. Those are who I call my Silky Checks. And today's sub is going to none other than World of Days. World of Days, you guys, not only does she do bomb hauls and tutorials, she rocks her natural hair, and she is also an essential worker. So shout out to you, Days. Thank you for all that you've done. So now, without further ado, let's get into this update. So if you watch me frequently, you know that I have rocked this Nisha 203 wig in so many other videos. You guys, this is one of my favorite wigs that I own. I keep it in my luxurious Silky sack. I will insert footage of it here, of me taking it out of the sack so that you can see what it looked like. So as you can see, not a lot of tangling going on. So let's go ahead and put her on. And I usually wear mine to the right, but I'm going to go ahead and put her in the center for this video. Then I'm just going to brush her out. This is why I love the Silky sack. This is why I invented it. Some shedding, but that's typical with blonde. This hair is so thick. So now, Nisha and the whole Nisha series is a lot of hair. I will put the link to the original video before because I did have to go in and cut some of the tracks out of Nisha because she was so big. When I rock Nisha, I usually rock her to the side, but I decided to do a middle part for it today. Usually I will go in with my hot comb and just press her out. I do get some shedding and a little tangling, but more shedding than anything, and I think that's due to the color blonde. But I love this wig. It's getting a little too hot for her now, so I don't think I'm going to be wearing it through the summer, but for winter and fall, Nisha 203 was my go-to wig. I love this wig. She comes in other colors. I definitely would say if you are interested in the Nishas, this is a great one. It is a little bit of longer length, but I definitely think she's worth it. All I do is, like I said, press it with my hot comb, and then I go in, of course, and define the part a little more. When I wear her, I do try to wear a wig grip so that I don't have to glue it down because I prefer not to glue my wigs down. I've put hats on with Nisha. Like I said, I've worn her on other things. So I think she's held up pretty well, and I think she's worth the investment. As you can see, I'm going back through it again. So that is it for my update. If you have any questions about Nisha 203, please leave them down in the comments. I will do my best to get back to you. And again, like I said, the original Nisha video is down in the description box. And of course, when I take Nisha off, I'm going to put her back in her Silky sack. A Silky sack is a luxurious silk line bag that I designed to not only store your wigs, but also to add longevity to them. The silk lining allows the hair to just glide instead of getting tangled and matted. The description box will have the link to Silky Sack's website. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you next Monday with another wig update. And remember, better care is better wear.